Boys and girls, I'm going to show you how to animate a few of your animals. So I'm going to start with the bat. So with the bat, I want it to go ahead. I want it to go across here and then come back and go again. So the first thing that we always want to do is we want to bring out our event. So how are we starting this program? The second thing you want to get into a habit of doing is to always bring out your starting position. This is where I want the bat to start. If you don't want him to start there, then you move it somewhere else. And then you grab out that block, go to that position. So then you know that it's going to go to that position every time, regardless of where it goes. So I want to get in that habit of doing this is my first 2 lines of code. So now the next thing I want to do is I want to say move. Okay, that's moved 10 steps. I think I want to move it a little bit more. 10 steps isn't very, so there's moves 50. So I can move it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I want to move it 6 times. Now I could move this out 6 times, move 50, move 6, and move. I could move that out, but instead I want to come over here and use what I call my loops. So I'm just going to say repeat this 6 times. And then I want it so it looks like it's coming all the way over here. So now I'm going to click this button. It starts at the beginning. I click this one. I think I want to do it one more time. Okay. And so as you see, I debugged. And now I want to go back to the beginning position. So I bring out my go to, and I already have the numbers there. So I can say -162 to 115. And so now I put this here. So then I click them all together. So this is, oh, that happened really fast. So I think I want to put in my algorithm a wait here first. So that way it doesn't quite so fast. And now he comes back to the beginning. And now if I wanted him to continuously do that, I could put on a forever loop. And I hit play. And then he's rating. So he's just going back and forth. And I think I'm going to put another wait here so it gets back and then waits a second. Now I want him to also move his wings. So there's another button that you can say switch the costume. So anytime I look at costumes and it has these in here, then I can switch the costume to look like he's doing motion. So I can say switch costume. So I can say, I can just add this button here that says next costume. So now I click play, and it's happening so fast that once again, I think I'm going to add in a wait. So I add in a wait. And you see that now he's flapping his wings. So that's just one way to get a character to animate to go across. So let me show you how to do the bear now. So I click on the bear, and once again I put it where it is. So I'm going to get in my habit of adding my flag, adding in my starting position. So on this one, I just want the bear to stand up, stand down. So all I'm going to do on this one is do a costume change. So, oh sorry, this one's he's walking. So I'm just going to do a costume change on this one. It just looks like he's going to be walking in place. So I'm going to say next costume, and then I'm going to put it inside of a forever loop. So let's look what that looks like. Oh, really, really fast. So now I'm going to add in just a short wait. So if I say a 0.5, that is a half of a second. So now when I click the flag, both animals start at the same time because both animals are started on a flag. So this is 2 different ways that you can do some animation. In the next video, I'll show you how to do 2 more ways.